My name is François Ravet. I'm from Antogir company. Antogir is manufacturing, distributing medical devices which are implants for general dentistry. My role is supply chain, planification, distribution, and mostly the most important part is the service level of the company. We were trying to improve our service level with as less inventory as possible, and it was very difficult to do it, and then we started to look for other methodology. The customer had not enough good service level, so it was not good for us, and the competition, it was good for the competition. And also the company had to finance a lot more inventory than we wished to. We had started the search for another methodology, and we found DDMRP as more efficient after some proof of concept and proof of value, and we decided to go for it. We were planning with our MRP too, and proper calculation based on forecast. After the project phase, we went live, so it's 6 months ago, and then we are starting to see the improvement. So we are running R+, which has become our main tool for planning and planning execution. The planners are very satisfied. It's kind of funny to say that now because they were the most impacted by this tool introduction, new tool, and also the new philosophy. The much resistance was there, so we had to convince them. But now they wouldn't let go this tool, so they are convinced, and for us and for them it's an easiest tool. So we have put a lot of added value in our analysis, and towards reduction of inventory, reduction of lead times. I can answer for us it was the biggest challenge. I guess for what we can hear for other companies implementing the tool is really one of the main challenges, and really you have to onboard the whole company, and the first one to onboard is the CEO, to have the full support of those type of projects. Okay, Agilea was a great support. They have great proximity, so we could call them anytime in the day or the night. They were always there. We also appreciated the fact that although they are they have technical answers, they also take the big picture into consideration. And they let us also decided according to our business, the risk approach, and it was essential that for us it was a sign, a proof of confidence towards them and them towards us, that they, after they explained the methodology, we had a lot of autonomy in the implementation. Without losing their support. Because we have a double-digit growth every year since 10 years, the next step is really to support the business and this growth. And DDMRP methodology, I'm very confident that it will allow us to do that while maintaining the level of service towards our customers. I think those events are great because we can share with the community, and we can share also with you guys, and you are also doing a great job.